Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to our third video. Today we are going to reinforce something we learned the previous week. Reinforce rounding numbers. Okay, say bye. Okay. Here, this is the symbol of rounding. So if you have to round it to the nearest thousand, what do you have to do with this number? First, you have to underline the given place value. So, 1,000, so you have to underline number 4. Next, you have to look at the number at the right of it. So, look at the neighbor. In this case, 8. If the neighbor is 8, here, it belongs to this group. 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it means that you have to go up with the rounding. So you don't have to stay with the 4,000, you have to go up to the 5,000. So since the neighbor is very big, it's an 8, you have to go up. So the rounding is 5,000. Now, number 2, round to the nearest 10,000. So the first step is to underline the place value. So 10,000 is number 3. Next step, number 2, look at the number at the right of it, at the neighbor. In this case, the neighbor is a 4. It belongs to other group, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have these numbers, you have to stay with the rounding. So this one, you don't go to that 4, you stay with the 3. So since you have to stay with the 3, this is the rounding. But here, pay attention because there is a problem. Most of you had this problem when you did the homework. Because if you want to buy, for example, a computer that is 434,500 pesos, you cannot say that you need approximately 30,000 pesos because it wouldn't be enough. So here comes rule number 3. Don't touch the numbers before the given place value. Keep them. So here is the place value. We don't have to touch the number that is before. We have to keep it. So in this case, the rounding of this number is this. Let's go to example number 3. You have to round to the nearest million. According to the first step, you have to underline the million position. That is number 7. Number 2, you have to look at the number that is at the right of it. In this case, it's a 5. The 5 belongs to the big group where you have to go up. So this 7, it's going to be an 8 million. But since we have a number that is before the place value, we keep it, okay? We don't touch it, we keep it. So 17,599,000, it's rounded to 18 million. And the last one, number 4, you have to round to the nearest 100 million position. So we are going to underline that position, 100 million. And then we are going to look at the neighbor. The neighbor is a 7. It belongs to this group, so we have to go up. So that 8 is going to be a 9. So the rounding of that number, it will be 900 million. Okay? So, now that you understood, I am going to give you a new homework. This homework is homework number 4. Here I have it. Homework number 4, review roundings. So here in number 1, you have to round to the nearest thousand. And the number is 73,599. Number 2, round to the nearest 100 position. And the number is 37,599,500. Number 3, round to the nearest 10,000. And the number is 127,144. Number 4, round to the nearest 10. And the number is 37,149. And finally, you have to round to the nearest 10 million. And the number is 197,459,000. So this is the homework I am going to send today. And you will have to bring the homework or send the homework on Monday the 6th. Okay? I'll be waiting for your homework and goodbye.